What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use ChatGPT on your iPhone or Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. At this time, there is no official ChatGPT application from OpenAI, but there are some apps that utilize OpenAI's API to generate responses. If you want to use the normal ChatGPT 3.5 or 4 on your mobile device, you will have to make use of your preferred browser, such as Safari or Chrome. Open up your browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. You will be required to log in with your OpenAI account. Log in or sign up and follow the on-screen instructions to log in with your account. When this is done, you can access ChatGPT on your mobile device. Change the ChatGPT model on top of your screen and access your previous conversations on the left-hand side. If you're facing loading or login problems on this website, then your network admin probably blocked access to ChatGPT. To bypass network restrictions, you can make use of a free VPN. We recommend Privado VPN, where you can get 10 GB of free VPN access when creating a new account with the link provided in the video description. Use their app and connect to a new server location to access ChatGPT on your mobile device. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.